In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok Pro Events new user referral not counting. Intro. First things first, you need to make sure that the new user opened up your referral link before creating or signing into their account. They have to use your referral link specifically, otherwise it will not work. And then of course, check that they do meet the referral requirements, including age, which is just 18 plus, region, which I think right now is just the United States, but it'll most likely be more regions at the time that you guys are watching this video, and new user eligibility. Just have them complete any required sign up or event steps and then reopen up the referral page. And if it still doesn't count, update the app and contact TikTok Pro Events support because the referral may not have been tracked correctly. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.